Welcome to our instructional video for Microsoft Windows operating system and Outlook email client. In this video we will show you which software you are going to need to use your Cryptoucan and how to install it. We are going to install GPG for Win, which is an open source software suite for safe communication. Our modified version of GPG for Win has Cryptoucan related patches. This software bundle is essential since it takes care of encryption and signing your emails. It also enables you to manage your keyring. To get our modified installation package, as well as other software, visit cryptoucan.eu/download. Under the software heading, you are going to see icons representing supported operating systems. If you choose Windows logo here, you will be redirected to a page dedicated to Cryptoucan software for Windows. You will find the download button for GPG for Win with a table of information you may find useful right next to it here. When you click the download button, the download will start automatically. Once the file is downloaded, open it. On the first window of the installer, proceed with the next button. Now you got to the selection of the components to install. Let me quickly describe them to you. GNU-PG is the core piece of software. Cleopatra is a keyring manager useful for various operations with keys. GPA stands for GNU Privacy Assistant and it's an alternative to Cleopatra. We recommend you to install Cleopatra. GPGOL is a plugin for Outlook email client. We want to install this one since Outlook is the email client of our choice. GPGEX is a shell extension which enables you to encrypt or sign files right from the context menu in Windows Explorer. It's completely up to you whether you will find use for it or not and if you want to install it. Browser integration option enables Maven browser extension support, which we won't need. You can check and uncheck those components to your liking and needs now. After that, click Next. You can choose the installation folder in the following step. We are going to leave the default one here. Now we are going to click Install. The installation may take few minutes. When the installation is done, click Next, uncheck Run Cleopatra if you have installed it, and choose Finish. And that's all for this video. Next time we will show you how to change PIN codes. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.